2020 has sucked. Aside from the pandemic, getting locked down, massive protests, we now have wildfires across California. I've had two parents that are in the high-risk category for COVID, and I'm slowly realizing that their time is slowly coming to an end. A big part of processing that is going outside. When I go outside, I get to disconnect and be present with what is in front of me. It's such an important element of our mental health. I think so few of the people out there that are talking about COVID, they're talking about just the germ. Our immunity is better when we're in a good mood. Our mental health is better when we go out to the trees, when we go spend time in nature. So hopefully I can make guides for you guys to take trips outside, giving you the tools that you need to be outside. If you guys can do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. It's big, it's red, and it says subscribe. And if you have a friend that you think would be interested in the videos that I make, please share it to one friend this week for me. It helps me to grow my channel and helps me to continue to make these videos that hopefully you're enjoying.
Yeah, baby.
On one of the busiest weekends this summer, Andrea and I didn't make any plans. I kept saying, we'll be okay if we're backpacking. As we drove along the beautiful coastline, we saw a ton of cars. I was nervous, but still committed. I'm a big advocate of packing your bag at the trailhead. So here it is. This is what the car looks like. And we're gonna pack our bags now and see how heavy it is. And 2 packed bags ready for the road. It only took us like 30-40 minutes. The big key is to try to get everything else as light as possible so that you can bring more stuff. At least that's my key. I don't think that's everybody's key, but I certainly want to bring more shit because I just have so much shit I need to bring.
Like this?
No, we're not bringing that. The start of the trip photo. We are at the start of the trailhead.
Let's hit it.
Let's hit it. Na 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 na. Okay. Yeah, we got it. 3 miles. 3 miles. We got this. Okay, so far, no one's on the trail. There's a lot of cars on the trail, which makes me think, oh God, I hope not everyone's at the campsite. But no one's here. People are lazy. People are lazy. You gotta work for your campsite, which means you might be dripping sweat, you might be dirty without a shower, and not everybody likes that discomfort. But if you wanna earn it, you're gonna have some of the best views. And hopefully some peace and quiet away from everything.
Woohoo!
What a gorgeous, gorgeous location. Look at that. Our first night was spent at Estrella Creek, where we decided to start early the next day to get the best campsite. We even passed this epic campsite to find something closer to a water source. Lion's Den was good, but we had something else in mind. It's been a really hot day. We think it's a little over 80 degrees. Another 4 miles trekking through the heat, and we found it.
We're crossing this giant redwood to get to the other side.
Here, we'd have the feast that made our bags so damn heavy. Hey guys, welcome to Camp I'm in the Woods. Here we have a little tent. We decided that we don't really need the rainfly tonight. We want to see the trees and the stars, and we don't really need that. So we just put the tent up. Pretty easy setup. Now you have the log to put all your stuff on. But of course we have our Lifestraw right here, doing its work. Good job, Lifestraw. This is how we filter the water. We have all kinds of little features in this little campsite, which I think are really fun. Aside from the log, we have the rock. Yes, the rock. You don't need to bring much when you're backpacking, but when you're looking for something, you're looking for like a rock for your kitchen. So that's where our kitchen is. And then, of course, we have some bagged wine. Thank you, Motion. Shout out to you. I have bagged a Pinot right here. This woman-owned company, She Can. I mean, cheesy name. It's actually good, which is why we decided She Can will accept your cheesy naming and drink your can, because what is better than anything else when you're camping is a can of wine. Why wine? You don't want to trek 5%, 6% alcohol. No. No. We don't trek 5-6% alcohol out here. You need to be up there at least 13%, double at least. That's what we need. That's what we need right here. A She Can. And then I have charged our mugs so that they're a little colder. Dre, will you do the honors?
She can, and she does. A delightful bouquet. I mean, everything just tastes better in the woods. Oh! Straight to the head after a hot day. Want some? Oh.
Oh yeah, she really can. Oh, she can. New Zealand Sauv Blanc. All right, I'm into it. Now, here's the treat. Here's how you bougie up your meals. Patagonia has got mussels in a tin. This right here is gonna be a little happy hour. I can smell it. I can smell it already. These are pretty good. For a canned item, I'm even drink juice. Ooh, it's like Kamada. I'm a fan of mussels, especially green lip mussels from New Zealand. Speaking of, I'm gonna have a New Zealand Sauv Blanc now. New Zealand tourism board, I'm coming for you. I need some sponsors. This is happy hour, and this is one of the perks of bougie. When you want to bougie, you still can have happy hour, baby. Who wants happy hour right now?
Priorities.
I want happy hour right now. There's a lot of MREs out there. I gotta tell you, I've tried a few of them. MREs are gross, but a necessary evil. Sprucing them up. Sprucing an MRE up is utmost importance. How do you spruce it up? Add kale. You can also add salmon, which is what we're gonna do today. So kale and salmon Thai curry while you're out in the backcountry. It's actually not bad. When you're doing a whole day, it's surprisingly good. The bag's piece of crap. Just FYI.
Oh yeah. Fish curry. So good. This is what I want for dinner. Fish curry.
Real
That
vegetables.
turmeric color, real vegetables. This is the activation. This is Backpackers
Do
hot
mine a
sauce.
little bit.
That's how you upgrade.
One of the things I found, if you're THC friendly, you have these cannabis-infused packs. You just add water, 10 milligrams of CBD, 5 milligrams of THC. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice variety. I'm into things that you can just add into water that will enhance your day.
It's tasty.
Waking up to this view, listening to the sounds of nature, hanging out on this log. This is what we came out for. Sometimes all we do as humans is change where we eat and sleep, walk the earth, and then we're ready to battle the stressors of the world again. Woo! And here's the ocean. Amazing. Nothing like getting that break right out here. Wow, so gorgeous. I'm so glad we stayed the night. I'm so glad to see the ocean now. Next time, I know where to camp to be right on the ocean. Well, to wake up to the sunrise and sunset on a peak overlooking everything, so to speak. Last mile for us.
Yeah, not the end, but nice.
The last mile.
It's all downhill from here.
It's all downhill from here, literally. And it's
To the
all
ocean.
beach.
Nice.
I hope this video inspires you to go out and enjoy the beauty of this world. Thanks, Dre, for being such an amazing travel buddy. And thank you for watching. This is truly an epic free camping experience. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below on what videos you'd like to see next.
It's kind of like yoga. It's a practice.